Whoa, what are you doing, human man? We don't do unboxing videos. We're classy. We got standards, you know.
Roll, 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 bog!
Well. No, we ain't doing unboxing videos. We're going to show you what's in the box, but for the whole time the human man's opening the packaging, we're going to have a look at this slug, because it's way more interesting than watching someone opening a box. Alright. These boardies are for a different project. This one is actually my first attempt at panelling. It seems to have worked, but I guess we won't know until we try and make one. But that's not what you're here for, is it? You want to see the Altair. I'm a massive narcissist, so I'll stick my face on everything. This is the back plane for the computer. This will be where all the cards go. This is a 64K memory board. You can have 64K of RAM, or you can have 64K of ROM, or you can have 32K of ROM and 32K of RAM. Isn't that exciting, eh? This is the CPU board. Look, it's got fully buffered inputs and outputs. Whoa, proper fancy. This is the control panel. Look, it's got flipping loads of bits on this one. Human man's going to have fun soldering all them, isn't he? I'll put all the switches and LEDs in a similar place to the Altair, but we're not actually making an exact replica, so it don't really matter. Human man, arrange the boards in an aesthetically pleasing way. There you go. This is the case we're going to use. It's some old bit of lab equipment. I don't know what it does. And I'm too lazy to look it up really. So let's just have a look round it, shall we? Well, look at that. It's got a little bit there where you can plug a kettle lead into it. Someone paid $850 for it. Look at that. It was used all the way up until 2017. Wow, look, it's got all these fancy twiddly things on the front. We could probably use them for something else. Maybe we'll make some sort of analog computer or something in the future. Now, let's have a look what's inside, shall we? Oh, lots of bits. Don't worry, we're not going to throw any of this away. Might be able to use some of this in another project. Oh, look at all these bitties. Let's see if the boards actually fit. No, human man, the other way up. I know the control panel fits, because I measured that. But what I didn't measure was how high the cards are. So, hopefully they fit. Yay! We got lucky! So there you go. Yeah, this video's nothing special. It's just an update on the Altair project. Because I know some of you are worried that we ain't gonna finish it. A special thanks goes to Sluggy. Without you, this video would not have been possible.